Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, I will be showing you what perfume or cologne I'm using. So right here I have a Polo by Ralph Lauren, Eternity, Versace, Eternity again, Aqua Eternity, Lacoste, this one is my favorite. And then I have Hugo Boss, Bulgari Men, Acqua di Gio, Giorgio Armani, I like the smell of this. I like the woody, fruited smell. This is my favorite of all time, Bulgari Men. I like the Acqua di Gio too. Givenchy for the occasional use. But for everyday use, I use the Lacoste, the Hugo Boss, the Eternity, and the Ralph Lauren. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this short vlog. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching on my YouTube channel. Until next time, bye now.